Zero heat.
Zero, like never ever in my life have I put like any heat on it. Like,
That's awesome.
The most is like the sun.
You're really, really just paying attention to what you do, what you don't do. True or false, you don't put any excess oils in it, you don't blow dry it straight, you don't sleep with it wet.
Okay, wait. Go back. I totally sleep with it wet.
You do? How come?
It takes so long to air dry. I'll sleep with it damp in a silk bonnet on a silk pillowcase.
Okay.
So it's like, I don't know.
You're really on your game. And also too, please keep in mind, if it isn't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
Like, you're good. Like, but you have a ton of it, but your hair actually is fine, like individually fine.
I know.
So it's susceptible to stretch, it's susceptible to breakage. And when your hair is even a little bit wet, it's way weaker than when it's dry.
Yeah.
So if frizz or flyaways is ever like, I mean, I like a certain amount because it just helps with the whole vibe.
For sure.
If you're trying to minimize the excess of it, when you're sleeping on it, that friction or whatever, I don't know, you might get a little less breakage than whatever you're getting now.
Yeah.
If you're trying to really clean it up even further, you'll be the first person that I've ever said like, bust the diffuser out. If it's not burning your skin, it's not burning your hair. We were chatting about you feeling like you've got a disconnect somewhere though.
Yeah, it's just, I've never trusted anyone to cut my own hair.
Okay.
So I like would cut it, but I wouldn't like cut it nicely. Like it is so choppy. Like these are probably not the same length. Like see, like.
Yeah, but I don't cut like that. I'm not like, is this exactly the same as this?
Yeah.
I'm like, does it look awesome?
Yeah.
Because if this was 2 inches and this was 5 feet and it looked incredible, I'm leaving it.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
And I kind of feel like, I don't know, when I watch you and I see like your hair, it's cool. Like it's like, I feel like if you wound up with this like, I don't know, stereotypical picture perfect thing, I just don't think it would fit you or any of your sisters for that matter. Like it's, you guys have a thing. So don't think that you're doing any kind of bad job there. You've done a really good job. But it's, where's it bugging you?
It's like,
where's that disconnect bugging you? When I throw it here, I see full, wow.
Yes.
And then there's this one right here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a tough one.
Yeah, I know, because I don't want to lose length. So it's like, what? Like, what are you going to do
But we can soften it. Also, too, I mean, how often are you cutting your own hair?
Well, that was the last time I ever did it.
How long ago was that?
I think it was like...
Fullness here, it just gets a little bit light. And when she pulls it forward, it's kind of like isolated. How often are you cutting your own hair?
Well, that was the last time I ever did it.
How long ago was that?
I think it was like 6 months ago.
That's not too far out. Do you wind up kind of tapping off all of your ends?
What I did was I put it in a ponytail. And I brought it forward, and I snipped off the end. And then I did it again, and I snipped off the end, and it looked
There's
like this.
the disconnect.
And my mom said I looked like my dad. The length of my hair was like my dad's.
Well, that's no disrespect there.
No.
My recommendation is going to be the least, because I know. Correct me if I'm wrong. You would like to walk out of here feeling like I didn't really cut anything off, right?
I just like want it to be like a shape that I could like always wear. Like I feel like this shape, like sometimes I'm like, I can't even put my hair down. It looks so crazy.
If I said I need to cut something, and what I'm looking at is, I'm seeing all these little like flyaways here.
Yeah.
That if that was gone, you're not gonna notice.
No, totally. Anything that looks like this, please cut it off.
Okay.
Like please, like I don't even know where that comes from.
I feel like if I can have you feeling like you left with the same length but fuller, you're gonna be really pumped with me.
Oh yeah.
So I just want you to know that is what's happening.
Okay,
like
perfect.
I will not be making you shorter.